Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out a new storm chasing game that I have found. This is the first time I've uploaded in a while, but this is a pretty good storm chasing game, I think. I'd say it's pretty good. After experiencing some tornadoes. Well, but we definitely will get some intercepts today. We got a nice forecast, as he said. As Aiden said, we got a nice forecast. We have experienced some tornadoes on day 2. Tornado track 5 is the one I intercepted. I'm proud of that. Looks like that cloud over there is going to do something. Maybe. Now the caper's at 4,781. The thermodynamics are pretty good, I'd say. Pretty good. The risk is high. And I think we already got some clouds that are ready. But who knows? We'll probably get some tornadoes or storms later today. But the relative humidity is 75%, which means not many rain-wrapped tornadoes, that means. Now that cloud is expanding, but now, this game has probe animation, so you gotta time it. It's got a camera, but you can't access that right now. And basically just put it down and hope for the best. So you gotta really be accurate, because it does have a bit of a animation. But the sounds, I'm gonna be honest, are better than Twisted. Not the car sound. Oh, here we go, supercell. There's cell forming. That didn't take long at all. Unless that's just 2 clouds on top of each other. That is. Yeah, it's just 2 clouds. Okay. It's not a supercell. So it's probably gonna take a while for the next cell to form, so cut back to when one does form. Okay, we're back and we have got a supercell forming, and it's not on the radar yet, but it's appearing right over me. It's definitely a storm of some sort of rain. This will never rain, but maybe it'll do something. Does see my video, it's definitely play this game. I'll put the link in the description. It's definitely straight. Yeah. Massive supercell on radar. So storms are going to be moving east. Oh, never mind, that's a cool cloud. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. A wall cloud is just formed right on me. Sound sirens, because a wall cloud is just right on me. I think the pathway makes sense. Dropping down. Close. basically clear. Look, drop down on that boat. Wow, that is rotating. I don't think it is going to drop down that boat. It's not rain rapid. Oh wow. Is that going to drop down? No, it's going right over my boat right now, right? Making any money, so this might be strengthening, so. Most likely. Probably get a tornado that drops down on you, and the winds are extremely strong because it's floating. Oh, that's okay. Oh, it's not nothing. Can't do anything. So it's just a weak Susie. Oh, we have a Dominator! We have the Dominator! There is a Dominator! Somebody has played this game long enough to get a Dominator. Oh, can't help doing this. So now we know the storm at the end. Okay. Storm is gone. Well, that was a bummer. It's still raining though. Wow. Don't know if that's the right thing. So, absolutely. Wait, new cell forming. New cell forming. Okay, new cell. Let's hope we get an intercept on this hay. Most of them just die out before dropping. Got some huge tornadoes on day 2 though. So let's see what the spheres are still on the radar. It's just a strength. It's part of the game. It's strength, so. Wow. It's trouble. strength. It's not too strong. Okay, from about now, I'm gonna start a voiceover because you just couldn't hear me, and so this is me spawning in a new vehicle. I don't know why, driving towards a tornado because I saw other people just standing there in their cars, like the cars was just standing there and they were surviving. So I decided to drive into it. This is when it was right above me. 70-mile-per-hour winds. Currently inside the tornado. Shockingly still alive. But, yeah. It was really a shock to me how weak this tornado was then. Couldn't believe it could be classified as a tornado. But, yeah, here's one in tail. And there was apparently 2 supercells on top of each other, which I have never seen before. Only in Twisted I have seen that. But I thought that was really strange. And the other wall cloud was absolutely massive. So I didn't know it was going to produce a huge tornado until I saw it. A massive wedge with EF0 wind speeds. And there's the Dominator intercepting it. Here I'm getting an intercept because, I don't know, cool, funny stuff. And there it is. A couple of power flashes you can see. Ripping the power poles out of the ground, and it's uprooted trees, but there are some trees standing, so that shows it's still pretty weak. But at the moment it showed EF2 wind speeds. So it was still pretty strong. It could still strengthen to an EF5, but it was still unlikely. But here you can see me getting closer to the tornado, really surviving. It wasn't that strong. It wasn't rain-wrapped either. Just because the humidity was actually pretty low, but I'm shocked it still wasn't rain-wrapped. Most tornadoes in Twisted, as you can see, are rain-wrapped. But here's the sign coming out. Not too long from now the other tornado just lifted and the wall cloud is starting to disappear. But this big wedge continued on for a bit and kept on going. But here's an uprooted tree that has just been uprooted. And there you go, it's weakening and then it lifts, which is actually quite shocking, showing the width it's at currently. But yeah, this is when I end off the video. The next episode will hopefully be coming soon, and see.